in this organization in the sense sometimes it was very active and sometimes, but our Dr. Riaz is making full efforts to make it come true and realize. So here today is an historic day for all of us because in South India we are all united here, fundamentally all South Indians. We all unite here and we work together to reach our goals. The basic plans and fundamental grassroots level projects, what we have through our presidents and the committees and workers, social workers, we work together with the projects. Then we have at our center Mr. Agarwal ji and Dr. Riaz, and we have a committee of people, very strong, powerful people. Out of all, we have Sonia Gandhi ji with us to explore the possibilities. Now, it is open that the possibilities are very open, and we have to work hard to realize these possibilities. We have to work really, really hard in order to make everything successful. I don't talk so much, but I am very delighted, sir. You're all being here for a very great support. And please, I am thankful, very thankful, and we will work together in future and on one platform. That is All India Congress Social Organization. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू मिस्टर रविंद्रनाथन। आपने ये बताया कि राजीव गांधी जी के सपनों को साकार करने के लिए आप भी कृत संकल्प हैं और किस तरह आगे आप इस सपने को साकार करने के लिए कार्यरत रहेंगे। इसके बाद मैं प्रिंस आनंद जी को इनवाइट करना चाहूँगा। आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट मिस्टर प्रिंस आनंद, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कर्नाटका, सो प्लीज कम एंड शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस एंड थॉट्स हाउ यू वांट टू प्रोग्रेस दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड
Conference Chairman, Mr. Devaraj Bhaskaran, today's chief guest, our nation president, Mr. Mohammad Riaz, guest of honor, our national coordinator, Mr. Pratik Agarwal, South India zonal coordinator and state president of Andhra Pradesh, Dr. Ravindranath, state president of Tamil Nadu and our host of this evening, Dr. Bharani Chitra, State President of Kerala, Mr. Josh Kurian, dear ladies and gentlemen and associates in the noble cause of service to the humanity, good evening to you all. It is my proud privilege and honor to be here at Puducherry today to take part in this wonderful conference of the South India Executive of the All India Congress Social Organization as the State President of Karnataka. I take this opportunity to thank our nation President, Dr. Mohammad Riaz, and the South India Zonal Coordinator and State President of Andhra Pradesh, Dr. Ravindranath, for choosing and nominating me as the State President of Karnataka and the confidence imposed in me. Thank you, sir. As we have just heard, our esteemed organization had been founded in the year 1990 as an NGO by our beloved former Prime Minister, late Sri Rajiv Gandhi ji, to play an important and active role to help in eliminating poverty by providing food, clothing, shelter, education, and health for all, and thereby help develop our country into a prosperous nation. However, the organization did not take a real shape till 2004 until Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji took control of the organization as chief patron to ensure that it is properly revamped right from the national level to the grassroots levels to ensure that the desired results reach out to the poor and needy across the country. Service to the humanity is a noble cause. It is of the highest order, which involves dedication, commitment, high morals, ethics, selflessness, love and care towards the poor and the needy. Service to humanity is nothing but service to God. And everyone must strive to put in the best of their abilities, time and efforts to involve in social work, which will directly benefit the less fortunate. Generally, most of us try to spend most of our time trying to earn more and more and to maximize our profits and earnings. But only a very few of us dedicate our full time, effort, and resources for this noble cause. It is now time for us to realize our social responsibilities and give back to the society by serving the humanity. Today, although our country is rapidly progressing on all fronts into becoming a developed country, still it is unfortunate to note that many villages in our country have not yet seen electricity, nor do they have proper drinking water facility. Still, even today, people have to walk for many kilometers to collect water. Further, in many areas, the water which is available is also full of fluorine content and is not potable. There are still many villages which do not have proper roads, sanitation, telecommunication connectivity, irrigation facilities, or infrastructure, and in many villages, people have to travel for very long distances even for basic medical care. Also, in many villages, no education facilities are available, and further, many bright and intelligent students, although having access to education, are being forced to discontinue their studies and get into employment as laborers due to utter poverty. There are thousands of families who do not have proper housing, who are living in huts in unhygienic conditions with no proper sanitation facilities, and they are living in utter penury. There are many, many problems, and we can go on and on in pointing out the deficiencies. Today, there are a lot of funds earmarked and available with the central government for various schemes for bettering the quality of the living of the poor and the needy, and for the empowerment of the youth and women. There are also many funds available with philanthropical organizations. However, most of such funds are not reaching the needy due to improper implementation, lack of initiative, bureaucracy, and various other reasons. It is of great importance that someone like our organization raises up to the need by identifying the specific requirements at the grassroots levels. This could be done through our block level representatives, district committees, and state bodies, and for arranging and channelizing the available financial resources through appropriate authorities from the relevant government schemes. Our role is that of a social entrepreneur who identifies the specific requirements, gets the requirements assessed and properly presented on paper as a project report, identifies the source of the funds and the relevant government schemes, gets the project approved through the proper authorities, gets the funds sanctioned, coordinates with the central, state, and local authorities to get their approval and cooperation, gets the projects implemented, and ensures that benefits reach the targeted people. We have to work as entrepreneurs to attain our objectives and to work as a platform to address and redress the problems and grievances of the poor and the needy. Hence, it is my humble and sincere request that we all, especially all our teams from the 4 states in the south, team up as a single force to highlight and present our proposals to the national authorities to help in eliminating poverty and to provide a better living to the humanity to ensure that our country becomes a prosperous country. I once again, on my behalf and on behalf of my state body of Karnataka, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to speak to you this evening. Further, I also thank the Tamil Nadu President Dr. Bharani Chitra and all the members of the Tamil Nadu state body for this wonderful hospitality extended to us. Thank you one and all.
थैंक यू मिस्टर प्रिंस आनंद। आप खुद को सौभाग्यशाली महसूस कर रहे हैं इस संगठन से जुड़ने के बाद और बार बार धन्यवाद दे रहे हैं अध्यक्ष महोदय जी को। अध्यक्ष महोदय जी की ओर से मैं आपको धन्यवाद देता हूं कि हम लोगों को भी आवश्यकता है कि आप जैसे लोग इस मिशन को पूरा करने के लिए हमारे साथ आएं, ताकि जो सपना, जो ध्येय संजो के रखा गया है वह जल्द से जल्द पूरा किया जा सके। क्योंकि इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का विजन ही है to create a sustainable society by strengthening the social fabric, और आप एक महत्वपूर्ण कड़ी होंगे कर्नाटका में, साथ ही साथ पूरे भारतवर्ष में इस सपने को पूरा करने के लिए। धन्यवाद मिस्टर प्रिंस आनंद। हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का मिशन ही है ऑल इंडिया कांग्रेस सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज अ एनजीओ working on issues and problems regarding health and education of the common man, especially belonging to the economically weaker section, working on various fronts of youth development with a variety of youth programs, developing countrywide network of self-supporting youth employment and self-employment, promoting human resource, skill development and overall personality development of youth. और ऐसे ही एक youth आज हमारे सामने उपस्थित हैं, मिस्टर प्रतीक अग्रवाल, और अब मैं उनसे आग्रह करूंगा कि मंच पे आएं और अपने विचारों और अनुभवों से हमें अनुग्रहित करें. मिस्टर प्रतीक अग्रवाल, प्लीज वेलकम ऑन द स्टेज.
Good evening, Pondicherry. Thank you for all the love which I got from all of you and all the hospitality. For me, working with AICSO is a great pleasure for me and a very good experience also which I want to share with all of you. We know there are certain programs running by central government for this all poverty schemes, different schemes, which we will circulate this brochure also, and all the members also, we can go detailed in that. But for me, I want to clear one thing very clear to all the members. We cannot wait only to implement that. We need to work our own. It's a very clear method. We will work for national central government schemes also, and we will fight for that also to bring everybody, for all the childrens and all the need peoples. But I want to clear one thing, that 2013 we are dedicating to children especially, and we have decided one program which will run for children, especially for poverty children, which is Smile India. I'll repeat again, which is Smile India. In this program, all the members need to help from their own. They need to reach to different segment, different sector, different corporates. If somebody is in some area, for example, there is a big water supplier, tanker supplier is working in that area. He is earning a lot of money. We need to reach him to provide some sort of tanker of waters to the children also who are below poverty level, to reach them a good water. And he will provide. Thing is that nobody is reaching to him to do that. We need to do this on a regular basis. That we need to go him. It won't happen in first round. It will happen in second round, third round, fourth round. But it will happen. This is my personal experience and confidence. So these all small things, if somebody is in Pondicherry, there are so many big industries we know in different segments, either steel, either cement, either different things, so many things. So we need to reach that corporates also on regular basis. If you will go to any godown of the cement, you will find tons of cements are wasting while loading and uploading. So we need to give them message, please help the children also, please save that also, and give some sort of your any of the product to the children. So these all things need to be done by their own members in their own segment, in their own area, from different segments and different things. For example, we went today to one temple. There was a plantation ceremony, and there was adjoining there is a school, government school. I saw some children are playing over there, but they don't have playing equipments. They don't have in gardens. So even with our small help, it's all about intention and thinking and your interest. If we reach to any of the big person who is in Pondicherry or near to Pondicherry, who is a big gardening person, who is doing gardening and these all things, and doing plantations in different corporates, if we'll reach him to kindly provide, so many plants I have seen going wastage every year because of non-selling to different these nurseries. All the plants are going wastage. All the plants cannot sell. They cannot sell all the plants. If we reach to them that this much plants you are wasting every year, please provide these plants to even your own area by your name even. So children have this know what is the garden, the poverty level. They know the same kind of toys. If there is a big huge toys factory or fabrication toys are there in today's life. If you reach somebody is a big fabricator or making toys, and he's earning a lot of money and he's doing supplying so many things, you need to reach. So people need to understand what they can do, in which segment they are, what is nearby to help to them, and they need to do that. So it's all about their interest. You need to do this all things on a regular basis. You need to check it around all of you. कि आपके आसपास में what is around you and what help you can provide. It's not about financial and monies. It's all about your interest. How much interest you are showing, how much you want to do. Because children are our future. I travel all over the world because of some my professional work. Also, I have seen there is a lot of difference in different countries. Even in our same country, also there is a lot of difference between children who are living in the city and children who are living in the rural, because they are getting much facilities. Like we are trying to get so many computers from different corporates. I am doing that plan. We are going to have all the big corporates, because they used to do change over their computers. Like everybody who use the computer, they know कि computers में नए programs आते रहते हैं. P2 था, then P3, then P4, I5, I3. So they used to rechange the computers, recycle the computers, and they waste that computers. We need to reach them and you need to tell them that these computers for you it's wastage now or on a very less worth, but for rural children's, these are the what you call it, gold. They need to understand this is computer and this we need to know. So these all programs, all the members from all the states need to do the same. Look at around what is available near to you, what you can do, which is the thing is going to be wastage in your area, nearby to you, and you need to make that thing should to be reached to the poor childrens. So Smile India this is a program under right now we are making it a very good one. By Jan first week we will send everybody complete program of this Smile India. So you will have a detailed idea. I will give you some sort of small ideas where we are lacking and what we need to do. Provide education to the children in slums. What that means? That doesn't mean that we need to hire so many teachers to go there. Even in single area of a 15 or 30 kilometers range, there are almost 15 to 30 schools, even more than that. If a teacher of few of the teachers make a group and teach the poverty students, they will get some sort of knowledge. So we need to make these things happen. I will send this all details to all of the members. I will try to reach all the members in 2013. Then teaching, counseling and upbringing of children make them responsible and productive citizens of India. अभी हमारे यहाँ जो childrens है, they don't even understand ये वो क्या है क्या नहीं है. If you go to, जैसे मैंने आज आपसे बात की, I just told you a few minutes back, I went to that school. So many children are playing and nothing was there. So another thing is providing and facilitating the education and training of these children in order to equip them with life skills. Another one is provide shelters to poor students. And what about shelter? If you reach to your local, whoever is doing good in your area, we know India is growing. पूरे world में India का बहुत अच्छा नाम है. We are doing so much professionally. We are working so many things. So we need to reach these people that kindly please for example, somebody is selling sets, cement sets. He is a huge dealer of cement sets. If somebody reach of his area to that cement set person, please donate 100 sets. It's not a big amount, or 50 sets even to this school. It won't happen in one time, I'll tell you. It will happen in second, third time. It's my guarantee. If you reach to this persons, please, you are a big dealer of this, you are making earning money and these all things. Kindly, we don't require anything. Kindly, please donate 100 sets or 50 sets, whatever you can do, to your nearby school. So these things will make these all things. Provide shelter for students. We can make these things happen, not in a one day, but in coming time, in 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. It will take slowly. And जब ये शुरू हो जाएगा, you will feel so much difference. One person will come ahead, another 5% will come. Okay, he has given sets, I will provide you cements. Somebody will say, contractor, okay, I will provide you 5 labor. You have these all things now? Okay, I will provide you 20 labors. Well, I will give you 1 week time, make it. But with these all things, children will get this all basic requirements, which they don't have. And we are lacking very poorly on this. In coming years, it will become worst. We will try to implement all the government schemes very forcefully. But it won't happen in 1 year or one night. But we don't need to stop there only. We need to go ahead. And we need to show the government also, all the state governments or government people, that we are not depending on you. We can make our own also. Keep with you. You don't want to implement, you don't want to spend, keep with you. We can make our own. That is our own commitment. Another one is provide help to displaced children. Same kind of thing. Whoever is the area, hospitals are there, big merchants are there, big medicines merchants are there. So we need to reach these peoples to kindly provide. These are the things for these children. So we need to identify where is the requirement, what are the requirements, how we can refill that from different segments. Another thing is free medical checkup and medicines. Same, all the doctor, there are many doctors will even are there joined in our organization in all the states. So we need to coordinate in us also. हमारे को आपस में भी coordinate करना होगा. We need to coordinate ourselves also, and then we can implement these all things. Who is there? Who is doctor? So we need to speak to him. Okay, you try to do these all things. You try to arrange some camp in this school or this area or that area. So we need to think like that. Our intention should be very clear that we need to go ahead. Then only we can, that will be our real, just a minute. Provide sanitations in government school slums. Again the same kind of thing. There are nothing. But we can do so many kind of things. Only thing is that we need to keep our interest in that. If we have our interest, we will definitely make. You need to keep on your eyes everywhere where other things are going to be wastage. There are many things I have seen personally which are wasting everywhere in terms of water, in terms of any kind of thing, but not reaching to the people. So we need to show that we are here. Okay, आपको time नहीं है, but आपके यहाँ चीज waste हो रही है, we are here. Whatever, even we will give them some professional, we will write your name and this all things with our AICSO, so they will get some interest also.